Perfect.
All right, so we're gonna run through a booty builder how-to today. Brooklyn's gonna help me out, and we're just gonna show you how to adjust everything and make sure you get in there the way that you should be set up. There is a chart. The number one thing you need to do is look at the chart right on the front of the machine. You'll see that on your screen right now. There are three things that you're gonna be able to adjust. Number one is your bench, number two is your belt, and number three is gonna be your seat. Brooklyn, how tall are you?
5'5".
5'5". So I'm gonna have you go ahead and adjust this for a bench on a seat setting number 2. Belt is going to be on a 1. Make sure all your pins are able to snap in place, and then the seat goes all the way up for her, based on what her chart reads. So go ahead and hop on down into the chair. She's going to throw her feet up onto the platform. This is how you can just set it up for a body weight setting. So she's going to have just below her shoulder blades is on the edge of the pad. So go ahead and push to the top, and then lower it right back down. And just do 5 of them for me, Brooklyn. The whole time she's keeping her chin tucked, like she's looking at the machines, like the instructions on the machine is what she's reading. And you should be feeling that in your glutes. If you start to feel that in your low back, that means that your hips aren't tucked. You're not squeezing your glutes. You start to arch out, which is not what you want, right? So now we're gonna add some weight to the pad. Oh my God. We have 300 pounds on here. All right. So she's just clipping on up. She's gonna keep her heels in the same place. You can kind of use the pads as a guideline. If she's got her heels lined up with the second pads, that's where she would want both feet, even from side to side. So you can put your hands wherever you want. You can put them on the pad, you can put them behind your neck, or you can put them right on the belt where she has them right now. So go ahead and thrust on up and knock out 10 of them, keeping your chin tucked the whole time. A little pause at the top. Do one more. Awesome. A couple different ways that you can adjust or add to the booty builder. Number one is you can take one of these bands and you can toss it right up above your knees. So Brooklyn's doing that. When you put those bands just above your knees, it's actually going to help you keep those hips tucked, and it's going to engage the outsides of your hips while you're doing the hip thrust. So last thing that we're going to be able to adjust is we can put those mini bands also on the machine to offer more resistance at the top of the movement. That's what we just put on. Do a few more. Alright. So that's how you do the booty builder. Really great for glute development. A lot of the other machines in the gym don't single out the glute as well, and this is actually the only unit in South Dakota. So go us, Rapid Fitness.